Welcome back to Vocab with Aileen, where words get magical, meanings get silly, and pigs might actually fly. Wait, what? Did I just say flying pigs? Oh, yes I did. Because today's idiom is when pigs fly. When pigs fly is a silly way to say something is never, ever going to happen. Like, so impossible that even pigs would need superpowers and jetpacks to do it. Let's see how we can use it in a sentence. When mom asks me to clean the room, I respond by saying, maybe when pigs fly? Or when your friend asks, can we finish 500 cupcakes in 1 minute? You'll be like, well, yes. Why not? When pigs fly and also bake with us. And that's it for today, Vocabulary Superheroes. Now go around saying when pigs fly every time when something sounds impossible. Just don't try throwing pigs in the air. Let them stay smooth and grounded.
Oh, yeah.
If you had fun today, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Vocab with Aileen. See you next time, unless pigs fly away first.